Hello, you're welcome to this video. AI or artificial intelligence is one of the most discussed topics all over the internet. In this video, I will discuss on artificial intelligence. Watch this video till end. Let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Have you noticed that if you watch a video on YouTube, they will suggest you more videos related to that? This is possible because of artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Artificial intelligence is programmed to think like a human and mimic their actions. You may have seen the use of artificial intelligence in Marvel's Iron Man movies, Terminator series, Matrix series, but our artificial intelligence isn't so advanced as theirs, but we are close to some of them. AI is the result of the human need for doing complex calculations, which can be achieved using high-speed computers. Artificial intelligence helps machines to understand verbal commands, recognize faces, drive cars, play games, etc. Artificial intelligence will not replace human intelligence because human intelligence is very much powerful. Artificial intelligence has been created to assist humans. History. The theory of artificial intelligence has been invented before the invention of the computer. People used to think how to give a machine the power of thinking like a man. The theory may be invented at the time of ancient Greek. Artificial intelligence is mainly from 1940. Since then, much research has been studied on artificial intelligence. After World War II, the work for artificial intelligence officially started. First, English mathematician Alan Turing gave his lecture about AI in 1947. But in the past 2 to 3 years, the progress of AI was very much. The investment in artificial intelligence has also increased in the past 2 to 3 years. Artificial intelligence is very much used in software and information and technology services than any other fields. Examples of artificial intelligence. Some examples of artificial intelligence are face detection, Google Maps, self-driving cars, chatbots, search algorithms, robots, Apple Siri, Microsoft Cortana, Amazon Alexa, natural language processing, automated translation, text autocorrect, e-payment, Dr. Watson, and many more. Which programming languages are used in AI? Some programming languages which can be used in artificial intelligence development are LIST, R, Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and SQL. These languages are used in AI for various purposes. There is a lot of math in artificial intelligence, so it is important to be good at math for working on it. Discrete math, multivariable calculus, differential equations, linear algebra, probability, and statistics are important for working in this field. Machine learning. Machine learning is to collect meaningful data from many data and detect what to do next. It is the subset of AI that trains a machine how to learn. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that imitates the way human gains a certain amount of knowledge. It is the subset of machine learning. Will artificial intelligence harm the world? The answer is both yes and no. Artificial intelligence may not destroy or harm people itself, but humans will use this to do harm. So, some bad people will try to cheat people or attack people online. They may use the help of artificial intelligence to fulfill their evil desire. Now the war is mainly physical, but in the future there may be many cyber wars. Some experts think that the World War III will be a cyber war. In this war, people may use AI to cause harm to others. It will impact highly on the economy because at the time everything may be internet based. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can like our video and subscribe to this channel. You can also ask any question in the comment section. You can visit our blog site. The link to the site is given in the description below. You can like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Hope to have a nice and good day. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.